Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a short episode. I think it's going to be a 0.5 episode because we're going to do very simple stuff because it's in preparation for the next episode, which is going to be actually building to Android, which is a very big step for this. So let's not waste any time. First of all, we're going to go into the script folder, make a new script called respawn. Now what this is going to do, it's going to allow us to respawn using the button that we made in the last episode. Currently it's not visible, but if we open the script, we're going to need to import two packages, or not, we're going to need import two libraries rather. So it's going to be Unity Engine.ui and Unity Engine.scene management. So we need one variable. We only need one variable for this. It's going to be a public button, and we're actually going to set this in the start function. So it's going to be button equals get component button, and the next thing we're going to do in the start function is we're going to add a new on-click listener to the button. So button.onClick.add listener, and that's going to be we're going to make a function for that. So we don't need an update here. We just need let's make a private void respawn. We're just gonna do. Oh wait, what is giving me an issue? Alright, so I think there's. Oh, we can't have this be the same name. Okay, just have a lowercase. Okay, so what are we doing? We're doing scene manager.load scene, scene manager.get active scene .name. Oh, we need to add parentheses here. So this is gonna just reload the current scene. And then here we're just gonna put respawn. That is it. So let's put that on our button real quick. What is this? Oh yeah. Okay, so let's put that on our button. Couldn't tell what I did in that quick fix. You just had to remove the parentheses around or after respawn when it's referenced in the on-click add thing. So drag this onto our button, and we don't need to set this. Yeah, we don't need to set it. Alright, so play our game now. Run into this guy, let him kill us. And then we get the respawn thing, click it, and it works. Okay, so now we can actually play the game, even though we don't have a score thing yet. That's fine. It's not like we're just going to be in the same thing forever. So the next part of the tutorial is we got to make a new scene. So before we do that, actually, just to avoid lighting issues, if you haven't already done it, go into the lighting window. You can find that in window rendering lighting settings, and then go down here where it says auto generate. By default, it's going to be clicked here. Uncheck that, and then generate lighting. It's going to make a folder right here in the scenes folder, just named the same thing as your scene. So once you've done that, we're going to make a new scene. It's going to be very simple. It's just going to be title screen. Make sure to save your scene, and then in title screen, we're just going to make a new canvas. And we're going to set it up exactly like we set up the last canvas. So instead of constant pixel size, we're doing scale with screen size, 1080 by 1920. Set this to 0.5. And that's fine. So now we're gonna add a background. It's gonna be a UI image, and basically this is just gonna be the background color of this scene. Just set that to the size of the canvas. Okay, so you can just change the color to whatever you want. I'm gonna keep it at let's do a light blue. That's cool. Let's just name this background. And now we're going to add text for our game. Eventually I'm actually going to name the game and put it on the Play Store, which will be fun. I think that'd be cool for a tutorial. It's 600 by 100. Set the text to Unity tutorial. And then center it in the alignment thing. Make the font size bigger. Make this bold, and then the color is going to be black. Actually, that's kind of some small text. Let's make the width like 800, height like 200. Scale it up more. Perfect. And then we're just gonna have one button here, and it's gonna say play. Eventually, we're gonna come back to this and add more stuff, but for now, we're good. We're also gonna make this. Let's make it 600 by 100, or 200. That works. Put that up here, and then go into the text. Make it say play. Obviously, font size up a lot, and that should be good. We need one more thing here. We need to go into our scripts, make a new script. It's going to be a change scene, or load scene. So open that up in Visual Studio. And it's going to be very similar to a response script, pretty much the same actually, so we can copy in a lot of this stuff. Yeah, we need to import the same packages. Copy this into here. We don't need an update. We do need one function, so it's going to be a private void load level, we'll call it. And the major difference here is we're going to have a public string scene name. So we're going to call this a load level, or we're going to put load level here. And we're going to copy in this and replace where it says replace the scene manager dot active scene dot name with scene name. So save that. Now if we go back into here and put that on our button, just drag this over here. Now we need to make our scene name just game. So whatever you have your main scene name as. So if we play this. Oh, we have one issue. So, something we have to do when we're doing scene management and like changing scenes and stuff. You gotta go into your build settings and just add open scenes. So do that here, then go into our game, then add that as an open scene. So also consider in this list whatever's at the top of the list. So whatever has the number 0 over here, it's gonna load first when you actually build your game. So you want to have the title screen at the top. So, if we go back into our title screen, press play, now we're in our game. So, now we're finally ready to build to Android for the first time. That'll be the next episode. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you later.